So we have just checked in to Maison PIC Hotel, and I really have to do the room tour this way because to get to our suite we have to pass through the restaurant. And this is the 3-star Michelin restaurant. They're not open yet. Hi. Hello. Maxi. Okay, so special. Actually, you need the key to turn on the elevator to get on to our suite. So special. So when it's open, this is actually our suite. Oops. Okay. So this is the welcome area. So the elevator brings us to our suite. And this is our area as well. And that's the elevator. Just feels so special. Okay. And then it's a big studio area. So nicely presented and decorated. With a big TV, as well as so well designed bed and chairs. So, and Sylvie at PIC, they have the longest standing Michelin star. And then the welcome champagne. Yep, this is our suite 10. Welcome champagne, welcome leather. And we have a nice courtyard view going to the garden. And then the work desk area. That you can sit and watch TV at the same time. And the mini bar is all inclusive in our suite. So include Evian water, Perrier water, Coke, some juice and such. And some nice cashews and nuts. Okay. And then got the largest bathroom in France, I would say. So again, it's a Relais and Châteaux property. It has the Michelin 3-star restaurant at the property. That's why we're staying here. And got a nice big bathtub, standard towel and such. And then safe deposit box. A really good coffee making machine and kettle. Okay, the bathroom and slipper is right over here. The slipper and the bathrooms. And then, of course, with the rain shower. Amenities. And the toilet. So we are celebrating our anniversary here. So we are very excited and we love this suite. Put in the key. Elevator straight to a suite. So special. We're happy to be here.
Well, I'm happy I'm here.